Welcome, this is MCG Tech with the never-released Intel Testbench. To start the video off, I want to provide some context on why you probably haven't heard of this. This was an engineering sample that was never sold to the public. I found it sitting in the corner of my local recycling plant and immediately saw the value in it. Being able to test components is very useful for me because I buy a lot of used hardware. By setting up a test bench, I can more efficiently do so, using components I already know work. The components I decided to install in this test bench include a FX8120, 4GB of DDR3 RAM, a 500W PSU, a 120GB SSD, and an ASRock N6 GC GS4FX. This motherboard is perfect for testing because of the fact it has both DDR2 and DDR3 RAM slots. This allows it to test a large swath of CPUs and RAM. One issue I did run into was orienting the motherboard, so more than 4 standoffs were supporting it. The underside of the test bench has slots for the hard drive and power supply, which allows for clean cable management. There's also a slot near where the PSU is mounted, which allows for the 24-pin and 4-pin connectors to be routed through. With everything hooked up, I also used an old computer case to salvage a USB extension and front panel connector. I then soldered on a button and hot glued the USB extension and button to the case. I also hot glued 2 small fans to the back of the case to improve the longevity of the parts. I have to say, I am pretty happy with this test bench. Right now, most test bench cases are overpriced and over-engineered, so I wish Intel would have brought this to the market. If you do manage to find one, I would definitely recommend picking it up because of the stellar build quality. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe. Also, feel free to check out the rest of the content on this channel. Thank you for watching.